Flamingos have a fascinating life cycle. It begins with a single egg, carefully laid in a mud nest built by both parents. After about 30 days of incubation, a fluffy gray chick hatches. These chicks are fed a special milk-like secretion from their parents' digestive system. Over weeks, they join a crèche, or nursery group, for safety and learning. As they grow, their gray feathers are gradually replaced with the iconic pink, thanks to a diet rich in algae and shrimp. By 2 to 3 years, they're ready to find a mate and start the cycle anew, continuing the legacy of these graceful birds.